Good day, Miss Flores. Today I'm going to recite the IATA codes for domestics. So, Cotabato is, the IATA code of Cotabato is CBO. The IATA codes of Bacolod is BCD. The IATA codes of Baler is BQA. The IATA codes of Butuan is BXU. The IATA codes of Cagayan de Oro is CGY. The IATA codes of Cagayan de Sulu is CBY. The IATA codes of Calbayog is CYP. The IATA codes of Taytay is RZP. The IATA code of Tacloban is TAC. The IATA codes of Angeles City is CRK. The IATA codes of Dipolog is DPL. The IATA codes of Dumaguete is DGT. The IATA codes of Antique is EUQ. The IATA codes of Antique is EUQ. The IATA codes of Davao is DVO. The IATA codes of General Santos is GES. The IATA codes of Iloilo is ILO. The IATA codes of Hulo is JOL. The IATA codes of Kalibo is KLO. The IATA codes of General Santos is GES. The IATA codes of Coron is XCN. Next is the international. So the IATA codes of Mumbai, India is BOM. The IATA codes of Greece is ATH. The IATA codes of Peru is LIH. The IATA codes of Ireland is the IATA codes of Dublin, Ireland is DUB. The IATA codes of Osaka is Osaka, Japan is KIX. The IATA codes of Taipei. The IATA codes of Taipei is TPE. The IATA codes of Seoul is the IATA codes of Seoul, Korea is ICN. The IATA codes of Bangkok, Thailand is BKK. The IATA codes of Russia is SVO. The IATA codes of Berlin is BER. The IATA codes the IATA codes of Paris. The IATA codes of Paris is CPJ. The IATA codes of Madrid, Spain is HAD. The IATA codes of Brazil is BRA. The IATA codes of Argentina is AGT. The IATA codes of Mexico is MEX. The IATA codes of Toronto, Canada is TYZ. Toronto. IATA codes of Toronto, Canada is TYZ. The IATA codes of Dubai is DAB. The IATA codes of Santiago. The IATA codes of Santiago is SAG. The IATA codes of Colombia is CLB. The IATA codes of Cairo, Egypt is CAI. The IATA codes of Vietnam, Hanoi is the IATA codes of Hanoi, Vietnam is HAI. The IATA codes of Germany is GMY. The IATA codes of Australia is the IATA codes of Sydney, Australia is SYD. The IATA codes of Turkey is TRY. The IATA codes of the IATA codes of Belgium is BLG. The IATA codes of Zurich, Switzerland is ZUR. The IATA codes of Netherlands is NTL.